There are many concrete crack filler products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best concrete crack fillers from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Sikaflex Concrete Crack Filler. Rating 4.4. SikaPro Concrete Fix offers exceptional adhesion and elasticity, creating strong bonds that resist tearing and cracking and can maintain a plus or minus 35% joint movement range. Attaches to most construction materials. It is perfect for weatherproofing cracks and gaps in concrete, brick, stucco, and more. Seal joints in windows and doors to prepare for seasonal changes. Convenient cartridge fits most applicator guns for optimal performance. Moisture-proof cartridges should be stored in a dry place at ambient temperatures between 40 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Satisfies federal and industry standards for sealant compounds, assuring quality and durability. Urethane-based for reduction of radon and cleaner air. Number 4. Sika Concrete Crack Filler. Rating 4.4. It's the ideal concrete patch repair mix, neatly fixing cracks and spalls so your property looks like new. It's even textured for a more seamless blend with the existing structure. Formulated to avoid shrinking or cracking, the ready-to-use pre-mixed cement patch offers good adhesion and high strength so your slabs, walls, and driveways perform as well as ever. Sika Concrete Patch is acrylic-based, so once the application is done, it cleans up using only water. No need for special cleaners and chemicals. It follows regulations concerning the use of volatile organic compounds, VOC, helping to keep the air we breathe cleaner and fresher. Number 3. Self-Leveling Concrete Crack Filler. Rating 4.5. Premium quality sealant, concrete self-leveling caulk. No tooling is required. Levels itself. It is water immersible and waterproof after cure. Performance. Self-leveling, pourable with permanent elastic, and can be painted with water-based, oil-based, or rubber-based paints. Able to bridge gaps up to 1.5 inches wide. Supports. Excellent adhesion on concrete and cementitious slabs. Durability. High durability and resistance to aging and weathering. Uses. Can be used on driveways, garages, sidewalks, balconies, pavements, terraces, warehouses, factories, civil structures, and plazas. Number 2. Liquid Concrete Crack Filler. Rating 4.6. If you're looking for a DIY tool, our adhesive caulk is exactly what you need. Use this caulking to seal joints on a roof, water seal, and more. We believe you can do any job yourself, and starting with our adhesive caulk makes it even easier. Dual-acting formula. Because this protective sealant acts as a waterproof adhesive and caulk, you can use it to fill small voids and cracks, or use it as a construction adhesive. Liquid Rubber manufactures a wide range of products for waterproofing: flat roofs, metal roofs, foundations, RV roofs, ponds, planter boxes, corrosion protection, concrete cleaning, and much more. Trust us to get your household job done. Number 1. Sashco Concrete Crack Filler. Rating 4.8. Flexible caulk. This helps you avoid repeated repairs because it won't become brittle or cracked over time. Home improvement sealant. Professional results and the perfect solution for caulking that withstand a home's natural movement. Permanent and waterproof sealant. Keeps the weather outside where it belongs, permanently. Big stretch caulk. Powerful adhesion and extreme elasticity make this caulk stick, twist, bend, compress, and stretch to more than 500% of its original size. Paintable sealant. Paint adheres to this acrylic caulk like a pro, so paint your surface whatever color you love and keep your sealant looking aesthetically pleasing. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.